Hi, everyone, and thank you again for joining us. My name is Eric Reese, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Forever North Partners. And I'm joined today by John Daniel Morris, who is our Regulatory Compliance and Affairs Officer. In this multi-part series, we're going to address now, how does the CASMEC system streamline the whole regulatory process? And I invited John to share some of his experiences so that we can show the folks watching this video what are some of the benefits of actually delving into CASMEC for regulatory affairs. So John, please take it away.
Yes. Yeah. So as we look into specifics of what actually happens, you're going to run into problems. That's just the necessity of your, especially if you're in a new product or you're changing something or packaging. And there was one time we were working, it was a product that had to be sterile, had to have packaging. We had to do our ship testing. And every time we came back off on our ship testing, which is basically you simulate a truck driving down the road, and what can happen, we were getting holes in everything in the packaging. And so we came back and we looked at it and said, okay, what could possibly be? First thing we looked at was the packaging bed. No, strong material. It was the right strength for what we had used in other stuff. We looked to see if there anything inside of the package was poking at it. And then we looked at the product itself and we realized that somebody long past that we had accepted that product design type had made sharp corners. And so we looked at it, said, okay, this product has to be sterile. We can't have loss on it. We can't have 15% of the product be declared, invaluable or invalid. So what do we do? Well, we came back and said, what's the cost of change? Well, we can't change. We've already designed the machine. What can we introduce? Well, if we've got soft things we can wrap it in. Why don't we wrap that in the product in the shaft and then put it over? And having that people that understand that expertise and that movement of this is something that has to be, we can't skip this step. We understand that. CASMEC is very good about saying this is a required step. Who is it that can bring this in? Okay, R&D's got to come in, quality's got to come in, and they've got to be reporting these things. And when we have people that trust that because they report things, they're not going to be looked at like, oh, I'm messing this up, but they're reporting it because it's important to get this right. Everybody on the team trusts that everybody's working together and that the solutions will come. We did wrap the packaging in something softer. We changed the whole case packaging to allow for one less than we were originally intending. We changed the labeling. We kept all that communication all the way through. And because of that, we weren't interrupting our timeline for launching the product.
Thanks, John. We appreciate that. Again, thank you everyone for joining us. It's been a fun series.